In this video, I will walk you through a detailed Dell SE2426HG review by comparing it against similar offerings in the competitive budget gaming monitor market. When you look at the landscape, the SE2426HG stands out as a high-performance choice for gamers who prioritize speed over everything else. While many entry-level screens like the Samsung Essential monitor cap out at a 100Hz refresh rate, this Dell model pushes the envelope to keep your gameplay fluid. Even when compared to its sibling, the Dell SE2425HG, which offers built-in speakers and more ergonomic adjustments like pivot and swivel, the SE2426HG remains the focused choice for pure performance. It utilizes in-plane switching technology to ensure that your colors stay vibrant and your viewing angles remain wide, which is a significant step up from older budget panels. If you are debating between models, the trade-off usually comes down to features versus raw speed. The SE2426HG provides that critical 1 millisecond display response time that competitive players crave, ensuring motion blur is kept to an absolute minimum during intense action. While other monitors at the $100 price point might include extra USB ports or fancy stands, Dell has funneled the value here into the panel quality and the AMD FreeSync support. This makes it an ideal match for anyone using a modern graphics card who wants to eliminate screen tearing without breaking the bank. It is a streamlined, reliable option that delivers exactly what a gamer needs to stay competitive. If you found this comparison helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more tech reviews. What features do you prioritize in a gaming monitor? Let me know in the comments below.